What's up, guys? Shad Juice here. Just want to do a little unboxing. I bought a lot of it's a Colecovision lot on eBay that I got for $170 shipped, that I think I can make over 1,000 in. But so far I could see that it was packed like pure shit. Like, that's just all I could say. There's the corner of a box. I paid $33 for shipping, and the games are just laying in there, no protection on them. But what else is new, right? So we'll start off with this game. Let's see how much I paid for this stuff exactly. It's just a little NES box, I think. Yeah, this was like 13 bucks shipped. It's Bart versus the Space Mutants. I think it's just boxing game. I mean, they sent this in a box by itself, bubble wrap. Don't really need to take that out. Looks kind of faded, maybe. Oh well, it's not in bad condition. Guess we could open it. Why not? Right? I just knew, like, you spent $33 on shipping and then it's third on a box and don't even give a crap, man. What else is new? Here's the game. Box is in good shape. It does look like there's a little fade to it. Cartridge has that on there. I can get that off. No big deal. Not too bad for 12 bucks. Let's get into this. There's like 2 rare games in here. He just stuck them in the side. This is pure trash packaging. Unbelievable. Look at that. Just no bubble wrap. No nothing. Unfucking real, man. I don't know if these have manuals in them or not. Mr. Do. Guess the manual's in that one. Who mails shit like this? I mean, come on, man. Like, these boxes might have been in mint condition, but I don't, you know. I'll have to go back and look. It's Donkey Kong Jr.'s complete. They look pretty minty, but you know, if this box is flipped upside down and this shit's laying right on top of it. There's War Games. That's complete. Like, these boxes look like in mint condition in the pictures, and they're all beat to hell. Mousetrap. Got a Mega Race. Looks complete. I was like, man, I'm gonna make some money on these boxes because they look all in great condition, but apparently not. Got Carnival. They're all smashed in on the back. Look who it is.
Hi.
What do you got there? Your Ghostbusters RC car? RC. You could have packaged this stuff better, right?
No.
You would at least put some bubble wrap on it, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they couldn't even do that. Not 1 ounce of packaging. This is fucking crazy, man. I'm sorry. Let's see. This is like some kind of super action baseball controller.
Whoa! What the heck is that? That's weird.
There's 2 of those. I don't know how much they're worth. I didn't look it up. This is a quick buy. It's something that was just listed. Got Cosmic Adventure here. That's complete. And we got Venture, which is ripped on the back. complete. I thought I was gonna make some money on some of these box games because they just look perfect. We got Victory here. It's 8 up.
Yeah, some of the buttons are a little stuck.
They're stuck?
Yeah, those little number buttons.
Yeah, they're probably fine. Oh, these?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, you did rip that off.
Let's leave it alone, buddy. We got Zax on here. Ladybug. There's a roller controller. There was no packaging in here. There's shit rolling around in that. God, man, there's some people that shouldn't ever sell a damn thing on eBay. Shit laying everywhere. No packaging at all.
Daddy.
Super Action Baseball score pad. What?
They really didn't put this on all
Why
the
are
way.
you ripping that off, dude?
They didn't put it on all the way.
Just leave it alone, okay?
They didn't put it on all the way.
They didn't do nothing right.
Yeah, they didn't put it
Spent
on.
$170 and you couldn't even put a piece of bubble wrap in this damn thing.
Yeah, not even one piece.
This Popeye's
They're
all
dumb.
buffed out.
They're really, really dumb.
Yeah, that's saying. Like, why would you put all that over a game? Like, it says Donkey Kong underneath. Or is it a different box?
Well, why's the tape? What the heck?
It's a Carnival box, but they put Donkey Kong in it, so they put stickers all over it. Okay. Couple loose games here. Got baseball, Slither.
Is those little things
Got
are those little things for
Minor.
football and baseball, Dad?
249. Didn't know it had a hole in the top, which that was one of the better games. I'm definitely gonna be doing some complaining on this lot. Don't care. And this is the main reason I bought this box, guys. This right here. It's made by Zonix. It's only rock and roll. This game is super rare. Complete in the box. See condition of this. Game's in alright condition.
Oh, look at this. This is a motorcycle game.
Here's the instructions, so at least it's complete.
Oh my God, look at this.
Box is not horrible.
Hey, look at this. What are we supposed to do?
And also this one's really rare in the box too. Zonix Motocross Racer.
I don't know why none of this is... Oh my God, this is broken.
And that's complete.
And this
I've
is
seen-
broken.
It's not broken, Mikey.
Well, where are these
I've seen
little-
these two games here are complete. Sold listing for $750 for both of these. This is the main reason I bought this lot. So hopefully I can make some money on these two. I'm definitely complaining because this shit got damaged in the shipping. So, but yeah, these two games here. Hold these. Hold them and point them at the camera. Point them down, can't even see you. Is that the thumbnail? I don't know. But yeah, what a... I just knew this was going to happen for some reason. Sometimes you just know things.
Yeah, sometimes...
This is a Colecovision game system.
Wait, Dad, wait.
I don't think there's no controllers with it,
Dad,
right?
you have to be careful because you were almost going to squish that.
Yeah, it's alright. It's like a $1 game.
But it's also when it's complete.
So...
I don't know what the heck we even do with this stuff. It's broken.
what do you guys think? Would you complain? I think I am because I'm going to look at the pictures a little bit better. But yeah, I know some of them boxes were in a lot better condition than they got shipped to me in.
Dad,
Just imagine this. This is a 25-pound box.
Dad, what?
This heavy stuff's just hitting the boxes. So, what would you guys do? Hopefully, you know, I'm still gonna make some money on these rare titles here, but yeah. People on eBay get on my nerves. But
Well,
thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Tell them bye.
Bye.
See you later. See you in the funny papers.
Stop.
Do it.
Stop.
Well, he'll be in the funny papers, won't you?
Nah.
Bye, guys. Hey, guys, just wanted to kind of give an update on the Colecovision package. So I messaged the seller and told him, at the time I was really mad, and I told him, you know, it was unacceptable how he packaged it. There wasn't even one piece of bubble wrap in there. And I couldn't believe I paid $30 for shipping for something like that. And we went back and forth for 2 days. He just wanted to blame the post office. He said he packed it like a fiddle. Like, he thinks just because he thought he packed the box tight, it doesn't matter that there's 25 pounds of stuff being flipped up and down. Heavy old ColecoVision console and controllers, crushing boxes and everything else, man. It was crazy. Like, he just, you know, it was the post office's fault. It wasn't his fault. He packed it good. And I said, I would never in a million years mail some stuff like that without bubble wrap and everything else. And I told him, you know, I really wanted the games, which there's 2 rare games in there. Yeah, I know I'm going to make some money on those too. But, I'll put some of the messages on the screen, like maybe from what he said and I said, not all of it, but you'll get the gist. Like, he was just, I think he's had some issues before probably with the packaging, so he didn't want to, he just thinks people are out to get him or something. I don't know. But he finally just, we could only come up with $45, and that was like $35 for my shipping cost and $10 for, I guess, whatever. I just took it, and let me know if you think I should give him a negative feedback. I haven't yet. I probably will, man. Just the way he was acting, it was like it wasn't his fault. But let me know if you guys will give him a negative feedback and what you think of some of these messages and how you would have acted. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.